Let me show you how to remove and also replace the keys and switches on your AULA F75 keyboard. So first, to remove it, you will actually need this tool. It's actually included inside the box for you. So this part of the tool can be used to remove the keys, and this one the switches. So if you want to remove the keys, it's actually very easy. So simply observe what I'm doing. I'm simply taking this tool here, putting it over, so you see, over the button, and simply getting it under the button. So see how I got it under the button, and then I see I can simply pull it off. So let's repeat it on this one. So you see underneath here, and then you can simply pull it. If you want to remove the spacebar, you have to actually do it on in two ways. So you see, first grab it and fully unplug it, and also repeat it on this other end. So see, simply lift it up, and then we can remove also the spacebar. Then to remove the switches. So if you look at the switch over here, for example, so if you look up close over here on the switch, you kind of have this like middle part. So you see that can be essentially pressed inside, and that will actually release the switch. So what you want to do is you simply want to take this tool here and take the switch just like this. So you see, it simply, and then you squeeze the, so you see, you squeeze this, and then it kind of releases. So once you properly pressed inside. So let's do it on the switch over here. Okay. Let me turn off the light. You'll see it better probably. Okay. So you simply grab, just like this. Okay. And then I will squeeze those two things, and then you see it simply like pops out. If you look up close, so you see you simply squeeze it together, and then basically those two things simply release the switch, and then you can put in the new switch. As you see, you have kind of pins here on the switch, and also the tiny holes inside the there. So you simply take the switch, insert it inside, and then you simply press it inside. You should hear a click, so make sure there is a click. And then we can simply replace the buttons. So to replace the buttons, simply pop it on. So you see, as easy as this. Okay. Other way. And the space bar. Okay, all done. Good luck.